Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diva. Hello for my returning subscribers and for all the new ones passing by. Today is just gonna be like a quick video on how I achieve my everyday, or when I'm going out, eyebrows. It's very simple, guys, so once I get into the video you guys should see how it is done. But before I get into it, please hit the subscribe button, making sure all your notification bells are on so when I pop up, you guys don't miss a video. Guys, all you simply need for this is a concealer, which is usually, let's say, 2 shades lighter than your foundation shade. You would need a brush, preferably like a flat one, so when you're blending out on top of your concealer. You need a little smoothie brush. Sometimes you do get these on your eyebrow pencil at the end, so you don't have to go out and buy one. But if you got one at the end of your brush, you can do that. I've got this pen and it's got a brush at the end, and you would need a flat concealer brush to carve out your eyebrows. So guys, this is how you achieve these eyebrows. Like, your eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters, so they're not always going to be 100% accurate, but you can always try and make it nearer to the eyebrows. So this is how it is, guys. I hope you guys do like it. I hope it was easy for you guys to follow. Do not stress and take your time. Stay tuned to my next video, and please give this video a big thumbs up, share, comment, and also, most importantly, subscribe to my channel, because you don't know what's going to come next. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have a lovely day, afternoon / night, and I see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.